In this video, we will be talking about headings, and headings are so easy. For example, this is a heading. Did you get the point? So a heading is used to make head for example, a paragraph, for a content, wherever it is. But headings, this is the use of headings. Did you see? So this is a heading, and this is the this is not a subheading, but this is a paragraph for this heading. Alright, so this is the big heading, and you can call this a subheading or the heading of the paragraph. So these things called headings. Alright, so let me code it for you, and it's easy to do. Okay, now if you just want to code, did you remember you have to be inside the body? Alright, so our code will be over here, so everything show over here. Alright, so let me just give you an example of how we do a heading. This is how you do a heading. You put an starting tag and a closing tag with the name of each one. Alright, each one means heading 1, heading number 1. Alright, and between this is our content that will show up over here. For example, let me say heading 1. Alright, now if I just save it and I go refresh over here, as you see, it make me a heading. Alright, but if I want to make a smaller one, how I do that? I just put 2, and now if I save it by clicking Command S or Control S, I use Windows, so I just go Control S. Alright, and refresh over here, it will be smaller. So let me just make multiple of these. There are 6 types of headings. We have H1, we have H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, but don't forget to put the numbers on the 2 sides. Alright, okay, and for 4 as well, and 5 and 6. Alright, now if I save it and I refresh this page, as you see, we have 6 types of headings. Alright, so heading number 1 is the greatest one. Alright, and heading number 2 is the second, and number 3 is the third, and 4th, 5th, 6th. Now you will see. As you see, you get the point. So I would recommend this is used to make titles for, or a subject, or a title for an examples, or a projects, or a title for images, or a title for paragraphs, anything you want. Alright, but this is the headings use. You're going to use it to make subjects and headings of titles or anything you want. But did you remember we want to change this thing? This looks ugly. As you see, this is the profile or the document name. I want to change that. How I do that? Did you remember we use the title tag, and I can put wherever I want. I will call it headings since we are learning about headings. If I refresh that, as you see, we have headings. Alright, so this is how headings are used. See you in the next lecture.